ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। शांति शांति शांति।
Feminism isn't about making women stronger. Women are already strong. It's about changing the way the world perceives that strength. Good morning and namaste to all. I, Hetvi Dholakia, welcome you all to today's morning assembly. Today is 10th July 2021 અને ગુજરાતી કેલેન્ડર પ્રમાણે આજે જેઠ વદ અમાસ છે. Please get ready for the morning prayer.
શ્રી તુલસીદાસ રચિત મર્યાદા પુરુષોત્તમ ભગવાન શ્રી રામના ગુણગાનજીમાં સમાયેલા છે એવી સ્તુતિ. શ્રી રામચંદ્ર કૃપાલુ ભજમન હરણ ભવ ભય દારુણમ, કે ભગવાન શ્રી રામનું ફક્ત નામ જ કાફી છે તમારા દરેક દુઃખોને, તમારા ભવના પાપોને હરી લેવા માટે. શ્રી રામ કે જેના નામ માત્રથી પથ્થર પણ પાણીમાં તરવા લાગે છે, જેમણે શબરીનો ઉદ્ધાર કર્યો, જેમણે હનુમાનની ભક્તિનો સ્વીકાર કર્યો, એવા ભગવાન શ્રી રામની સુંદર સ્તુતિ પ્રસ્તુત છે.
श्री रामचंद्र कृपालु भजमन हरण भव भय दारुणम्। नव कंज लोचन कंज मुख कर कंज पद कंजारुणम्। कंदार्पय गणितयमित छविनवनील नीरज सुन्दरम्। पीत मानव तड़ित रुचि सुचि नौमि जनक सुतावरम्। भजो दीन बंधु दिनेश दानव वंशनि कंदनम्। रघुनंद आनंद कंद कौशल चंद दशरथ नंदनम्। शिर मुकुट कुंडल तिलक चारोदार अंग विभूषणम्। आजानु भुज सर चाप धर संग्राम जित खर दोषणम्।
They say that the world has developed many folds since the Renaissance, but has it? Let me ask you a riddle. I am something that can be traced as far as the 18th century or even before. I am something that still lurks in the dark corners of society to create a supposed balance of authority. I am something that pigeonholes certain people into stereotypical roles, leading to an assumption that this is the natural order of things. What am I?
Yes, I am gender inequality. I am the devil incarnated by you to make you discriminate against men, women, and the LGBTQ community. Gatha Kamdar and Hetvi Dholakya will now recite a poem addressing this issue of gender inequality against women, accompanied by live music played by Vishwa Kotak.
Brutally honest, outspoken, and fearless. Goes with your wit, doesn't favor appearances, because who has time for vanity with opponents to extinguish?
And don't you think a hint of silver hairline is distinguished? In men, all these qualities, they make you a genius. But if you're a woman, you are an inconvenience.
So he storms through the halls and tracks down his boss. 2 years in this office, he is battled across. A media major is craving the glory, bursts into the meeting, demands better stories. The newsroom head is delighted, you must know. So now that's how you do it. Show me some gusto.
4 feet away in department store heels is his colleague Sarah. She fights back her tears cause she chased him down every Friday in winter. 3 years in this office plus 2 as an intern. She requests a task with more substance. To that, he glanced at his phone and responded, disgusted.
Please lower your voice. And how can you approach me? Really, your tact could afford you some coaching. You're acting so crazy. And have some respect. I'll be late for my meeting. You are being inconvenient.
It's 7 p.m. and her husband's arriving. She fires the stove and just stares, even though she's trying. It's been a few days and she's been sleeping on the couch. Depression has stolen the smile from her mouth.
He walks in. He's angry. He asks for dinner. Can't we just order in? She considers. He gives a vacant and displeased expression. So why do we pay for this therapy sessions then, if you can't be decent and take a damn shower?
When his father had died, he slept in for a few weeks and missed his work. So she took some supplement shifts as a nurse.
She never complained though. She made it a promise. But she liked her manic self too, to be honest. But she wished her crazy was fun too. But soon depression snuck in and she started to undo.
Why can't she just man up and act like a wife? She vowed to a man that she'd serve him for life. She really doesn't mean to be so inconvenient.
It's not really fair, but that's just how some things are. So she pinches her wrinkly skin of her thumb and thinks to herself, isn't this just inconvenient?
A message I'm passionate about in my bones. So, if you're offended and viewing at home, I am here to say that I am not sorry for being inconvenient. Because you were not put on this earth to make everybody else's lives easier. So please be inconvenient.
Quite a cinematic story, wasn't it? But let's not leave it to just a reel reflecting the real. If you ever see a girl, a lady, or any person being oppressed and think they are okay with their sufferings or are sad but just to a little extent, think again. Let's welcome Harshvi Parekh and Krupali Vedgama to reveal the inner trauma, the unheard screams and the tears in the eyes of those who experience this evil every single day.
Once upon a time, you and all your kind lived behind illogical excuses, had bridges for ribs that dropped off into empty chests as if your hearts were all stolen treasures, as if an excavation crew were hired to dig up and remove the part of you that let you feel. And while the world around you rediscovered womankind, you stayed put, knowing it would one day need to roll over top of you to get to where it's going.
You began to brood over supposed femininity and made meals of our expectations, as if crushing our spirits would make your mirrors cast better reflections than the ones they gave, as if the only way you could save yourself was to make us think that we're just weak ducklings, so no one would notice you hiding in it.
You learned to knit our doubts into a kind of camouflage, treated hope like a mirage that you could use to lure us into your point of view. You lived off of our fear, as if you could taste what we feel, to know that our miraculous realization would shatter your idea of balance and patriarchy.
You crept into our lives with tongues like knives, stabbing your words into our skin, so deep that it would become ours, irrespective of own opinion, silenced and suppressed.
You all had smiles like one-way barbed wire, not meant to keep us out, but meant to keep us in.
And as each woman learns to graft skin over the wounds you gave them, you hem yourself into the scar, be it your minds or hearts. People told us you weren't like this in real. But now the world will change. Now, armed only with resolve, we can no longer afford to tell ourselves that you aren't really what we see with our own eyes. We will not let you all make your dinners out of the things we feel.
What if we were to eavesdrop on snippets of regular everyday statements? Would we realize the gender bias hidden in the supposedly harmless words? Why are women expected to compromise without complaint, even when it is unfair and even when it is unreasonable? This is the question that Sahil, Dhwani, Jia, Kausha, Krupali, Tulsi and Vidhi are asking us to ponder about.
भैया आप इस सुनसान गली से नहीं सीधा लॉन्ग कट से लीजिएगा। बस यार, वन मोर ईयर ऑफ वर्क एंड देन मैरिज एंड सेटल डाउन। तू बता क्या चल रहा है? हाँ, मीडिया से हूँ, सिंगल हूँ, लेकिन आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी। नो लेट नाइट्स, नो मैन, नो लाउड म्यूजिक, और रेंट भी हमेशा टाइम पे दूंगी। स्लाइड 53 चेक किया क्या? मीटिंग में रेड लिपस्टिक लगाएगी? आर यू मैड? I know you and Arvind are both VPs now, but the salary structure cannot change. It's HR policy. I hope you understand. समझाओ कुछ इसे. अब बच्ची नहीं रही वो. लड़कों वाली हरकतें छोड़ के घर के कामकाज में मदद करे. Yes, definitely. I'm sorry, but people will think. I understand. लोग क्या कहेंगे? समझाओ कुछ इसे. What I was thinking. I'm sorry, but people will think. I'm fine. क्या कहेंगे? I'm fine. I'm sorry. ये आवाज़ है एक समझौते की, एक आदत, एक तौर, एक तरीके की. ये आवाज़ है औरत की खामोशी की, उससे रखी गई हर अनुचित उम्मीद की. ये आवाज़ है हम सब की, और इतना बोल के भी हम सब चुप हैं. अब
उसे बोलने दो.
God made the human race keeping in mind an equal and beautiful diversity. Who are we to question it? It is us who created these classifications. Let us compensate for our ancestral mistakes. We cannot rewrite the history, but we can create a better and brighter future together. Let us all think about how we can end these defenses of insecurities and make this world a better place. I would like to end this assembly on this point to Socho. Let us all rise for the national anthem. Assembly Sautan.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता. पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा. विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा. तव शुभ नामे जागे, तव शुभ आशीष मांगे. गाहे तव जय गाथा. जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता. जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Assembly Vishram. We thank all the performance and the music team for today's wonderful assembly. Thank you all for being with us today. Have a great day ahead.
श्री गुरु चरण सरोज रज, निज मन मुकुर सुधारे. बरनव रघुबर बिमल जसो, जो दायक फल चारे. बुद्धिहीन तनु जानिके, सुमिरो पवन कुमार. बल बुद्धि विद्या देहु मोहे, हरहु कलेस विकार.
जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर, जय कपीश तिहु लोक उजागर. राम दूत अतुलित बल धामा, अंजनी पुत्र पवन सुत नामा.
महावीर विक्रम बजरंगी, कुमति निवार सुमति के संगी. कंचन बरन विराज सुबेसा, कानन कुंडल कुंचित केसा.
हाथ वज्र और ध्वजा विराजे, कांधे मूंज जनेऊ साजे. शंकर सुवन केसरी नंदन, तेज प्रताप महाजगवंदन.
विद्या अति चातुर, राम काज करिबे को आतुर, प्रभु चरित्र सुनिबे को रसिया, राम लखन सीता मन बसिया।
सूक्ष्म रूप धरि सियहि दिखावा, विकट रूप धरि लंक जरावा, भीम रूप धरि असुर सहारे, रामचंद्र के काज सवारे।
लाय सजीवन लखन जियाए, श्री रघुवीर हरषि उर लाए, रघुपति कीन्ही बहुत बड़ाई, तुम मम प्रिय भरत सम भाई।
सहस वदन तुमरो जस गावे, अस कहि श्रीपति कंठ लगावे, सनकादिक ब्रह्मादि मुनीषा, नारद सारद सहित अहीसा।
जम कुबेर दिगपाल जहाते, कवि कोविद कहि सके कहाते, तुम उपकार सुग्रीवहि कीन्हा, राम मिलाए राजपद दीन्हा।
तुमरो मंत्र विभीषण माना, लंकेश्वर भय सब जग जाना, जुग सहस्त्र जो जन पर भानु, लील्यो ताहि मधुर फल जानु।
प्रभु मुद्रिका मेली मुख माही, जल दिलांघि गए अचरज नाहि, दुर्गम काज जगत के जेते, सुगम अनुग्रह तुमरे तेते।
राम दुआरे तुम रखवारे, होत न आज्ञा बिन पैसारे, सब सुख लहे तुम्हारी शरणा, तुम रक्षक काहू को डरना।
आपन तेज सम्हारो आपे, तीनों लोक हांकते कापे, भूत पिशाच निकट नहीं आवे, महावीर जब नाम सुनावे।
नासे रोग हरे सब पीरा, जपत निरंतर हनुमत बीरा, संकट ते हनुमान छुड़ावे, मन क्रम बचन ध्यान जो लावे।
सब पर राम तपस्वी राजा, तिनके काज सकल तुम साजा, और मनोरथ जो कोई लावे, सोई अमित जीवन फल पावे।
चारों जुग पर ताप तुम्हारा है, प्रसिद्ध जगत उजियारा, साधु संत के तुम रखवारे, असुर निकंदन राम दुलारे।
अष्ट सिद्धि नव निधि के दाता, असबर दीन जानकी माता, राम रसायन तुमरे पासा, सदा रहो रघुपति के दासा।
तुमरे भजन राम को पावे, जन्म जन्म के दुख बिसरावे, अंत काल रघुबरपुर जाई, जहाँ जन्म हरि भक्त कहाई।
और देवता चीत न धरई, हनुमंत से ही सर्व सुख करई। संकट कटे मिटे सब पीरा, जो सुमिरे हनुमंत बलबीरा।
जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई, कृपा करहु गुरुदेव की नाई। जो सत बार पाठ कर कोई, छूटहि बंदी महासुख होई।
जो यह पढ़े हनुमान चालीसा, होय सिद्धि साखी गौरीसा। तुलसीदास सदा हरि चेरा, कीजे नाथ हृदय मह डेरा। पवन तनय संकट हरन, मंगल मूर्ति रूप। राम लखन सीता सहित, हृदय बसहु सुरभूप।